They may look and act differently than what most people consider to be normal. But with social inclusion and protection being a strategic priority of government, the Portia Simpson Miller administration is working on a number of programs to help members of the disabled community achieve their full potential in all aspects of life. One such area is sport.
We're champion now. We are champion now.
In the 2014-2015 fiscal year, as part of its mandate to achieve strategic priority number 5, government took a significant step towards improving the sporting infrastructure for Special Olympians, those individuals with intellectual or physical disabilities. Through a public-private partnership, Jamaica's first ever Special Olympics basketball court and sports complex, a state-of-the-art facility, was officially opened in March 2015. It was funded by the Digicel Foundation at a cost of $8 million and is located next to the National Indoor Sports Complex at Independence Park Limited in St. Andrew, a company owned and operated by the government. The basketball court and sports complex will facilitate the training of over 4,300 registered Special Olympic athletes all across the island.
We are proud of our Special Olympians who continue to forge ahead by breaking down barriers and reminding the world that there is no need to focus on their disabilities. Rather, it's about focusing on their tremendous abilities and the passion with which they take on the world.
The facility at Independence Park Limited is timely, as Jamaica will be among the more than 170 countries to attend the 2015 Summer Games from July 25 to August 2 in Los Angeles, California.
Jamaica is slated to participate in unified football, female football, athletics, badminton, basketball, swimming, boxing, and volleyball. We will, of course, be cheering on the team, and we will be expecting you to bring back medals.
As government acts on its strategic priority of social inclusion and protection, it also partnered with international experts to improve the facilities available for training Special Olympians. That mandate was clearly outlined in the national sports policy.
And that is promoting and facilitating corporate sponsorship, public-private partnership to ensure the growth and the development of sport, and the provision of access to well-equipped, appropriate, safe indoor and outdoor facilities in order to create the ideal physical environment for the development of sport.
And so the National Basketball Association in the United States donated basketball equipment for the court. NBA representative and retired basketballer Rick Fox and Jamaica's sprint sensation Usain Bolt were on hand to witness the official opening of the Special Olympics basketball court and sports complex.
No praise can be too great for Minister Natalie Nita Headley, who walked these grounds intent on finding the best spot for our special needs court. And voila, this is perfect.
Today brings us closer, one step closer, to providing the opportunities for them to use their abilities to shine for the whole nation, and to removing the stigma and injustice often associated with those in the Special Olympic movement.
Thank you for making sure that we got this prime venue to showcase our talent.
The government of Jamaica actively pursuing plans to achieve strategic priority number 5, social inclusion and protection. Through public-private partnerships, it's improving the sporting infrastructure for those participating in the Special Olympics.
Champion, champion, champion.